Hello everybody, welcome back to Techno Waves. Today I have come with an exciting product that really impressed me. So let's check out the Retro Bluetooth Speaker by Artis. So let's unbox this. This is our box. On the side of this it has some specification. You can see. Let's unbox. Wow, look at here is our speaker. It has come with this aux cable and charging cable, and here's some documentation like it has warranty card, a user manual. Wow, look at the finish of this Bluetooth speaker. It's really like a vintage wood finish with a grill design. It's really like a 70s FM radio, but it's built for today. Let's talk about its specification. This speaker model number is BT45 Retro Bluetooth Speaker, and it supports Bluetooth 5.0 and auxiliary and a USB output and even FM radio, so it's more than just a wireless speaker. So about its designs, it has a leathered handle. It's really look like a wooden radio Bluetooth speaker, but it's not a wooden it's built of a plastic. Look, it's very solid and it's look like a very classical and a raw look. Let's see its key features. Here it has a FM tuning knob. You can see we have to adjust for the radio channels, and this is the previous song button, next song button, and this is a multifunctional button. You can use for on off, and we can also use for increasing and decreasing the volume. This is the mode switch. If we want to connect wirelessly with the Bluetooth, we have to switch this, or we want to listen or FM radio, then also we can switch. And this is the pause and play button, and also it is used for answering the calls. On the back side, here's some ports. You can see this for charging port, and it is the memory chip card slot, and here's a USB port, and this is the auxiliary port, and this is the antenna. Yeah, let's see by testing and connecting this. First we have to on this.
Preetiya Gulbarga listeners, very good evening. Welcome back to
Images on social media platforms. Terror Factory in Pakistan is making desperate attempts to mislead the media, distort global narrative, and manipulate public perception.
You can see this for FM radio I have on. Now let's connect via Bluetooth. First we have to change the mode.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, now let's on this. You can see Artis BT45.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
See, it's connected. Now let's play some music. The sound is very nice and it's connected smoothly. The sound is surprisingly rich for the size, and it's really good and warm bass that fills a small room nicely. And it's not a party speaker, but it's perfect for chill sessions or a cozy evening and all. It's very nice and very good and very portable and easy to carry Bluetooth speaker. About its battery life and connectivity, around 6 to 8 hours on a single charge its battery life will depend, and it also depends on your volume and all. And its Bluetooth connection stays solid within 10 meters, so no skips, no disconnections at all. So very good. So it's very good, so very gorgeous and a vintage design, good solid for the size, and multiple input options also. It has very portable and a lightweight. So guys, if you really like this Bluetooth speaker, so comment me guys which features of this Bluetooth speaker you really liked. I will see you in the next video, so smash that like button and hit subscribe for more unique tech finds and videos. Comment me, I will really respond. Thanks for watching.